Student, today we are going to solve exercise 1.2 class 10 advancements. Question number 5. For the set A, x and x belongs to I minus 2 less than x minus less than 4, and B, y equal to b equal to y, then y is a root of y square minus 9 equal to 0. Draw the graph of a product b and b product a, and find draw the graph of a product b and find n a product b. This question number 5 I am now going to solve. Student, now I am going to solve this question number 5 of class 10 advancements exercise 1.2. First of all, I will write here solution. Then question number 5 I will write here that 5. Given that, we will write here given a equal to x, then is to x belongs to I, and minus 2 less than x less than 4. This is the given question. So if x is belongs to I, then minus 2 less than x less than 4, which means the value of x is lies between minus 2 and 4. So here I will write, then after that, value of x lies between minus 2 and 4, which means I will write here then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now look here, student, minus 1 is less than minus 2. So value of x lies between minus 2 and 4, which means minus 2 and 4 I will not take. We will take only minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the value of A. And value of B is given in the question that y belongs to I, and y is root of y square minus 9 equal to 0, and then bracket close. Now if y square is equal to 9, then y square equal to 9, then y equal to root over, means plus minus root over 9. 9 means 3 squared. So I am just solving here. I am just solving this part here. This will be better for understanding. Y is equal to minus 9, 0. Y square is minus 9, 0. Then y square is equal to 9. Then y equal to plus minus root over 9. So y equal to plus minus root over 9 means 3 square. Now square root cancel. So y equal to plus minus 3, which means value of y equal to plus 3 and minus 3. This is the value of y. Now here in place of b, I can write here 3 and minus 3. This is the value of b. Student, now I am going to find out a product b. Here. Now look, first of all, the value of a minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and value of b is 3 minus 3. So a product b, which means minus 1, 3, then minus 1, minus 3, then 0, 3, 0, minus 3, then 1, 3, 1, minus 3, then 2, 3, 2, minus 3, then 3, 3, 3, minus 3. So I'm going to write all the values here one by one. First of all, minus 1, 3, then minus 1, minus 3, first one, then 0, 3, 0, minus 3, then 1, 3, then 1, minus 3. then 2, 3, 2 minus 3, then 3, 3, 3 minus 3. This is the value of A product B. Now this value we have to plot into the graph. Okay, one more thing student, before that, in this question also mentioned we have to find n of, it is also given find n of A product B. Now number n means number of elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 0 minus 3, mind it, here 0 minus 3. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, which means 10. N of A product B is 10. This is the n of A product B. Now I have to plot all these coordinate into the Cartesian plane, or in the question it is mentioned that draw the graph. So I can also plane these values into the graph paper or into the Cartesian plane. Now let's have a look how to plot all this value into the Cartesian plane. Student, I have made one Cartesian plane, and look here also mentioned the scale is here also mentioned. Scale is 1 small division equal to 1 centimeter, which means 1 cm here also, 1 cm there also, in the x-axis and y-axis. This is xo x-dash and yo y dash. Now student, after that I am just going to plot the values now. First one, -1 and 3, means x is -1, y 3. Look here, this is the coordinates, -1 3, -1 minus 3, x -1 y 3, and x -1 y -3. So we'll have to plot all the values one by one. X -1 3, which means look here, 1 2, sorry, -1 is there only, -1 and 3, y 3 means here 1, then 1 2 3. This is -1 3 for the first one. Now next one, -1 minus 3, there is -1 minus, and x minus y minus in the third quadrant, so -1 minus 3, -1 1 2 3, -1 minus 3 in third quadrant. Then 0, x 0 y 3. If it is x 0 y 3, which means x is 0 means here y 3 means 1 2 3. This is 0 comma 3, x 0 y 3. Then 0 minus 3 would be here, x is 0, then y minus 3, then 1 2 3. This is 0 comma minus 3. Whenever you will get value of x is 0 y is 0, then these values should be plotted into the axis, either xo x dash and yo y dash. Then 1 and 3, if x is 1, this is 0 1 1, then 3 here 1, then 1 2 3, there is 3 1 comma 3, and 1 minus 3, if x is 1 y minus 3, x is 1, then 1 minus 3 1 2 3, here is 1 minus 3. Next value 2 comma 3, if it is 2 1 2 2, then 3 1 2 3, 2 comma 3 would be here 2 comma 3. Next one 2 comma minus 3, again 1 2 and minus 3 1 2 3 here 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3. Next one 3 comma 3, if it is 1 2 3 3, then 1 2 3, 3 comma 3 is here 3 comma 3, and 3 comma minus 3, x is 1 2 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 here 3 comma minus 3, means x is 3 y minus 3. These are the plottings of the coordinates A product B of question number 5. Student, question number 6, draw the graph of A product B and B product A on two separate coordinate planes for the sets A and B. Look here, elements of set A given here, elements of set B given here. You have to find out A product B and B product A, and you have to make two separate coordinate and for A product B and B product A, and you have to plot the values there. Like number 5, you have to draw the graph of A product B and B product A of question number 6. I hope you understand. Try to do number 6 like number 5. I hope you understand. Thank you.